Die Cutting Essentials issue 53 is in stock and ready for you. In addition to the magazine, you know there's going to be some die cuts inside, some cutting dies inside, and you would be right. This is a 12-piece set group, and it makes a small little memory book or a planner or a sweet little gift, and all of that is included. So you see the outside piece, and then quite a few of the inner areas that you can decorate with. This is a pocket with the flaps on the side, as well as an area to punch holes, and chevron, corners, a leaf, a flower, a swirl, a good little set. Now, what can you do with it? Well, let's see. On the back of this, it's giving you an idea. Kind of looks like a planner. So that's a nice idea to have. You can also do some of the things that are in the magazine. And this is going to get you started, just talks about die cutting, just in case that's new for you. And here we go, making memories with my little book. And the projects are all using cardstock. There's no pattern paper. And if we can get in just a little bit closer, thank you, Houston. I think that looks very nice, very clean. Maybe that's a piece of washi tape. But I do think that if they'd had some pattern paper behind there, would have punched it up a little bit. So you can see a whole group. They've turned those into pockets. So that's an interesting idea. And turning it into a little book. And the word memories is another of those die cuts that's included. And there you go. I love the flowers going up there. That's really nice. Cute to use the chevron as kind of a little, like almost a paper clip. And this is also, I just wanted to show you that this is the Gable box card. We had that. We've got more on order, so don't fear if you didn't get one. We will have more. Okay, going back now, this is a master class is what they call this. This is concertina cards, and I think it's really fun to see all this variety of cards. These pop up, the layering, the ones that fold out, and I'll give you a closer look. This is called a birthday ribbon is what they're calling it. How to make those concertina cards. So there's a lot of accordion folding going on. You can see this is a very simple one, but a nice idea to have. Okay, this is another, this is extending more in the concertina. So there you go, nice look at each one. This is a section on lattice, and I think they just have some really beautiful ideas. So if you have a lattice stencil or cutting die, these are some ideas for you in using them. Again, we're going back to that little planner or memory book, some other ideas about using it. And I love the idea that you can also make it into a little book. Now, this is Ways with Ribbon, and the ribbons that they've used are printed ribbons, but they're ideas that are really good even if your ribbons are not printed. So we've got some layering, some stacking, so that's a nice idea. And then we're going back to the cutting die that's included with more ideas. You can take these and layer them to become like a waterfall. Very fun to make them, just putting the wire loops into it. So lots of ideas for your creativity, but also for using this a little memory book cutting dies that's included. So Die Cutting Essentials number 53 is in stock right now, and I'm happy to tell you that it is exclusively at paperwishes.com.